We've just acquired this Jaguar XF. It's the 2.2 diesel. It's in lovely condition, lovely light metallic blue. It's got the park distance control on the front. So the bodywork's in superb condition. It's got rear park distance control. Jaguar mats there. Boot area is lovely. Leather interior, all in good condition. Electric seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. All the air vents open up as they should. Some 90,384 miles. It's got climate control, satellite navigation. Back. Satellite navigation, got Bluetooth, aircon's lovely and cold, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox, AUX and USB there, plug in your phone, handbook. DJH with full dealer facilities including warranty, part exchange and finance. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.